All right, is this thing on? It's time to do a 15-minute project push. Let me make sure I have audio here. This camera's all set up. At the end of my teeth. All right, so what I'm working on now is doing some end-of-year updates for my ETP journals. AKA the ETP Almanac, which is a 365-day dated PDF with a bunch of things you can print out. And I keep making these every year, even though I think I only sell like 10 of them. But it's good practice to make it. Maybe one of these days I'll actually get off my ass and market these things properly. Then people will want to buy more of them. Let's see. So let me switch to the screen view mode here. And let me close this window. And let's see. Where did we last leave off? I think I can close this for now. I can go to the live dashboard, or rather the live YouTube chat. Just like I have this in the window. I wish this made a beeping noise so I could hear what was going on. Anyway, so we have a bunch of files that we need to open up. Let's get this into some sort of order here. So I need to complete this stuff here. So I've done the 2018 full-size versions for both US and for A4, but I haven't done the half-size versions yet. And so I need to make the 2018 versions of that. So let's start by looking at, let's make another one of these windows. Over here, this is momentarily confused. I wish there was like a way you can just copy and paste a path in here like you can on Windows. Can I open this in a new tab? I can. Can I drag this tab out? I can. That's good. That was fairly painless. All right, so we've got this going on here. I want to drill down into this view here, and we'll drill down to the exports folder here. So we need to replace all these 2017 ones with 2018 ones. And the very first one on the top would be the black and white one here. So we'll work on this one. Let me adjust this so it's, you can see my keyboard, maybe that's more exciting. Ugh. Oops. All right, woo, super mouse view. I think I've already updated this one. So all I should have to do is export it. And this is the A5 black and white. And is there a blank one at the end? I think this is up. This is all should be correct. Just want to check that bottom looks correct. That link is up to date. So let's export this. And it should go the export folder, the A4 folder. This is the A5 black and white. So let me click the last year's and change the year here to 2018. Make sure it saves as an interactive PDF. Oh, I already saved it. 2018 A5. I don't see it. Oh, I guess it is there. So I already did this one. All right, so cool. Let's load the next one up then. That's the A5 color version. Let's update those links. And let's just make sure this is the right file. This should say 2018. Good. Top of this should be, no, I believe this is the wrong date. Because the template's been updated, but January 1st is not Sunday. It should be, what should the date be? Monday is January 1st. Here it says Sunday, so clearly I need to update this. And the way that this works is first I have to delete all these XML nodes. I have all these instructions written down. I was doing these earlier. So delete those. Once those are deleted, I can delete all these. These pages are auto-generated from the XML that I just deleted. Let's delete all those spreads. And let's double check. I can still reformatting. Really? After you do an operation like this, it takes a while for Illustrator, InDesign to update its internal data structures so you can actually go and click on things. It's completely dead right now. It's not opening up anything. Is there any indication that something is happening? It's running out of memory. So now, anyway, I should be able to re-import. This is the A5, so the XML source file is the XML for A4 generic. And all these are correct. We're going to merge content. And this should only generate all the pages on the right side. Just noticing something here that might be problematic. Kitty's here. Oh, kitty. Oh, won't come up. All right. So Monday, January 1st, that looks correct. Let's look at page 33 to make sure that's Groundhog Day. I can't click on anything yet because it's just updating stuff. Let me just let me switch over to back to this and see. This is crap. Go back to the live dashboard. Make sure this is working. Yep, 15-minute project push. It's working. Is this one ready now? Can I click on stuff? No. Why does this take so long? Oh, there. I need to somehow force it to update. Okay, so now that looks right. Okay, save this. This is A5C1. That's correct. Export this. In the exports folder, A4. This is A5 color. Update to 2018. This should be the same. The same. We'll export that and port that into this. Let's organize pages. Let's go to the very last page. We want to extract this. Save that. And this should be A5 color blank 2018. Let's save this, close that, go back to the Finder. And here we should have all of them updated. We should have 8 of these. Wait, let's see. We have the A5s. And we have the okay, there is, they're all there. These we don't need anymore. So A4, there should be 5 of each. And the issue is that these are quite large. Alright, so that one is done. And for the ETP Almanac 2017, we still need to generate the color versions of this. So that means the US Mini black and white we need to update. It's a 2018 file, and it should just be able to automatically just do what we just did before without a whole lot of checking. Let's just check the first date again, just to see we're updating the right one. This shows Sunday. Then this year should start on Monday. Delete everything except for the first node. Likewise here. Use import XML. This is the US one. Import that. Auto flowing text. It's creating pages as automatically for me. Monday is the correct one. Let's go to number 33. What was the shortcut for that? Command F? I found this yesterday. It's like go to page. Command J. 33 is every second. The last page is blank. Well, it should be. It's 2018. Save this. Save it on top of itself. So it's InDesign CC 2018 document. Now we should export. And this goes in the export folder. This is the US side of things. We want that. This is the US Mini black and white for 2018. Export. Organize pages. Select the last page. Extract. Save. It should be 2018 US Mini black and white blank. Save that. Save this. This file is now saved. And one more to go, which is the US Mini color version. Update links. Go to the first page. This is Sunday, January 1. Delete all these. Delete. And on this side, also delete. And re-import XML. Beach ball of death. Double clicked it. It's all flowing. Oh. Let's see if anyone's talking about in chat room. Mr. Rule. Oh no, Mickey. Alright, so that's imported now. I'm going to go to page 33. Yes, this is right. 2018 has all the things in there, it looks like. Save this. Save on top of itself. Replace. Export. Oops. Yep, that's right. Export to the export folder. US. This is 2017 US Mini color. Let's change the year to 2018. Export. Organize pages. Last page. Select, extract, delete pages. Save this as in the US folder. This is US mini color blank. Save, save. And that's all of it, I think. I guess one question I have, I quit out InDesign, is did I do any other post-processing with the actual exported files? So we need the, let's rename this now. We don't need these, because we have the US Mini, black and white, blank. Let's delete these as trash. Let's update these years. Let's update the samples, which had the US color and the US Mini black and white. I think this is a limited, it was like the first month or something like that. Yeah, so this goes to 121. So we'll need a US color, and we'll need the US Mini, black and white. We'll copy these here into the sample folder. Let's rename these. Sample 2018 US color. Now we'll just delete the first. This is read me say. Now we need to edit these. Let's see, organize, stupid thing. We only kept the first 21 pages. Here in 22. We can delete these pages. Yes. Same with this. Okay, we have two sample files set up. Let's rename this to 2018 samples. And I guess we don't need these anymore. So here are all the old ones. How big is this archive? Only 37 megabytes. Excuse me. All right, so all those are done. And I think that's all I want to do for today. But let me take a look and see now. I'm just going to get my head in the game for the next round of changes. We're just posting these things. So what I have now is the, let me check something here. looking at my private notes here. I guess this is... I was getting kind of tired. How long have I been streaming now? This has been going on for how long? 20 minutes. I guess that's 50 minutes is all I needed. But let's see. There are a few places where this goes. So that's what I want to review right now. This is public to do. Oh, I'm sleepy again. I exported all of my things, so compact, calendar, update. Oh wait, oops, what did I just do? Post. Page, update. Compact calendar. Update, download links, update, other calendar links in different languages, social media, Facebook, Twitter. Those are the only two places I update. On a blog. And then the page update for ETP journal. This is update Shopify store, update Gumroad store, update collateral. I need to take a picture also of this. Print out, take picture for social media. Yes, this is the boring part. I don't like doing these marketing update things. The dishwasher is done. Is there a gum? What else do I need to update the EP journal? Upload samples to web page. Oh, so tired. I can print this out. Yeah, I've just lost all ability to work on stuff now. At least I got those things done. And now I need to take a break. So this is as a 15-minute project push. This is actually a 15-minute push. A little bit over 15 minutes. But I did get something done. I did complete the production side of things for that. There's other things I probably ought to do too, which is to also figure out how many sales from last year for ETP. Yeah. Anyway, I've grown very sleepy and I am going to eat something and then I will start puttering and doing other stuff. Maybe I'll be able to come back to this later. But actually, before I completely sign off, it's probably worthwhile to make today's ETP sheet. Let me switch over here and move some stuff aside. How much junk is piling up here? this comb. Alright, so yesterday I didn't wrap presents, that's the one thing. Missing FedEx toner. I did call about that, but I might need to do a return. I sort of cleaned the living room. Let's start this all over again. Today is Friday, December 22nd, I think it was. Yes, Friday, December 22nd. And I was up around 10-ish. Things to do today. It's 1:41, 1:45, so if I started this, when it's 1:45 now, then I started this around here. This is 15-minute project push. Minute. This is ETP journal. And the next thing to do, let's put it down here, is I want to wrap presents. It got to be very cute. I want to bring up speakers from downstairs. The next big thing would be to do a 15-minute push on updating ETP Almanac. And then another 15-minute push updating the compact calendar. These are all posts. This marketing type of collateral stuff these are things I don't really enjoy doing. I find them incredibly boring. It'd be great if I could find some way of just not having that be boring. But I think I just need to just push my way through it, not have any kind of feeling toward it. So what did I do earlier today? I think this period of time was just kind of like lounging around and watching videos. Watch vids on X Factor and The Voice. Every once in a while I fall into this rabbit hole of watching singing videos on YouTube, watching all the performances from these various shows where they sing. Makes these swirly noise things that indicate that this was time not productively spent. But I did do another stream earlier on. I did my What's Up Dave around here. That was a short stream too. And between this time, I think I was like eating and puttering. Eating, looking at emails. Not particularly productive. Heavy bubble time, like it's living room. So the next bit of streaming I'm going to do is the happy bubble time part. Happy bubble time is when I'm not setting a specific goal, but I'm just running around and I'm just doing things. And it's good I think these are good for people who are just also trying to clean up the house or do something that they're not particularly excited about doing. With happy bubble time, I let go of the idea that there's a hit list of things that I need to do, and then I let the context of the space I'm in determine what I do. And for some reason, I end up being productive without having to think about it or be as really disciplined, I guess. I'm not sure exactly how it works. And sometimes other interesting things happen. So anyway, I think that wraps up this current 15-minute project push. I did wrap up those things. The next 15-minute project push I'll do is this updating the actual blog posts that I need to do, take pictures and so forth. Unfortunately, my toner is lost in the package shell. It's going to take. I'm probably not going to get printer toner in at least for another week now, because I had to wait for the claim to go through and all this BS. So it's a little bit of a conundrum, but we'll see. Anyway, that's today's 15-minute project push. I'm going to take a break and then I'll get back to work with doing the happy bubble time stuff in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good day.